السلام عليكم. انا جاي اتكلم بكل صراحه وبكل شفافيه. انا ولا مدرس ولا شخص فلوينتلي في الانجليزي، ولكن انا شخص كنت قعدت سنه ونص بتعلم لغه انجليزيه ولكن بطريقه خاطئه. لحد من 4 شهور كده يعني عملت خطه صارمه، ولو انا كملت عليها اوصل ان شاء الله لمستوى C2 في اللغه الانجليزيه. الخطه ديت برضو مبنيه للدكتور جوليان نورثبروك. الدكتور هو الف كتاب كبير لتعليم اللغه الانجليزيه، فانا اكتشفت ان الخطه ديت هي اكتر خطه هتكون ناجحه في تعلم اللغه الانجليزيه. ومن هنا جت الفكره بتاعتي، طب انا ليه ما شاركش الناس اللي انا بتعلمه، سواء في الاستماع والقراءه والتحدث والكتابه وكل حاجه انا اتعلمتها يوميا، وايه الخطوات اللي انا بعملها والمصادر اللي انا بتعلم منها. وبرضه لان في ناس لحد الان مشتته مش عارفه تعمل ايه، تسمع ايه ولا ايه المصادر تتعلم منها ولا تتكلم ازاي ولا حتى تبدا منين. في ناس مشتته فعلا وماشيه على خطه فاشله، حتى لو مشي عليها 10 سنين قدام مش هتوصل لحاجه، لان هي خطه يعني زي ما احنا كنا بنتعلم في الابتدائي. يعني احنا كنا بنحفظ 100 كلمات ولكن مش عارفين نستخدمها، وكنا بنحفظها وان احنا من اول اولى ابتدائي لحد ثالثه ثانوي ما اتعلمناش بربع جنيه. فالفيديو دوت هيكون اول فيديو من خطه خلاف للسي 2. واول حاجه بتقول خطه تعلم اللغه الانجليزيه الاستماع. نخش على موقع BBC Learn English، دي اول حاجه عشان الاستماع. نشغل اول فيديو.
Your listening and speaking skills. Hi, Georgie.
Hi, Beth. Listen to this. I'm going to say a sentence twice. Can you hear the difference in pronunciation? English is a difficult language to learn. English is a difficult language to learn.
Yes. Okay, the difference is the rhythm. Now, languages are either stress timed or syllable timed. In syllable timed languages like Spanish and Korean, all the syllables last for the same amount of time.
بص يا صديقي، لو مش فاهم اي حاجه فما تقلقش خالص خالص، انا زيك على فكره. فانا كده هفصفص كل كلمه وهنترجمها واحده واحده، فما تقلقش.
Even when syllables are stressed. Now, an example of that in English would be English is a difficult language to learn.
Yes, whereas in a stress-timed language like Arabic or German, there are stressed syllables which happen at regular intervals, and all the other syllables in between are squashed to fit that rhythm and so become shorter. English is a difficult language to learn.
Okay, so Georgie, is English a syllable-timed language where each syllable has an equal duration, or a stress-timed language where some syllables are shortened to fit the stress rhythm?
Well, Beth, I know the answer to this. English is a stress-timed language. It sounds more natural to say English is a difficult language to learn. But it can make it harder to understand because when syllables are shortened, they often don't sound how you expect them to sound.
Yes. So, for example, of on its own sounds like this, of. But in a sentence like this, of sounds different. Some of the words are short. The o sound becomes a schwa, because it's unstressed. You might not even hear the v sound at the end of and that's what makes this so difficult, isn't it?
Yes, it is, but don't worry, we're going to help. And remember to watch to the end to hear about our bonus tip, but for now, let's start with step 1, hearing.
Okay, you need some practice now to hear this feature of English. We're going to listen to a man talking about jargon at work. Jargon, that is words and expressions used by a particular profession that others might find hard to understand. So while you listen, answer this. Is the man describing a positive experience at work or a negative one?
You have just cases where you may understand only half of what was said. You're being asked to do a project. You didn't really get some of the terms and you didn't do a great job on it.
Doesn't sound so positive, does it? Only understanding half of what was said, didn't do a great job.
Yes, exactly. Now listen to the man say this sentence again and really pay attention to the rhythm. Which syllables are stressed?
You may understand only half of what was said.
You may understand only half of what was said. It's these syllables which are stressed.
Okay, so let's count the syllables between the stressed syllables. Under, 2. Only, 2. Of what was, 3.
Right, and remember, in a stress-timed language, the stressed syllables happen at approximately regular intervals, and the syllables in between have to squeeze into the same amount of time, even when there are 2 syllables, 3, or even 6 syllables.
Yes. So in this sentence, of what was has more syllables, so it has to be rushed. Listen to that again.
You may understand only half of what was said.
Now, if this was a syllable-timed language where all syllables last roughly the same duration, it would sound like this: half of what was said, compared to stress-timed, half of what was said.
That's right. Okay, let's go to step 2, recognize. Okay, you're going to hear one sentence twice, once in a stress-timed, more natural style for English, and once in a syllable-timed, unnatural style. So which one is stress-timed? Which one sounds more natural in English? 1 or 2?
It's important to learn from your mistakes. It's important to learn from your mistakes.
I've been waiting for you all day. I've been waiting for you all day.
The neighbour has just knocked on the door. The neighbour has just knocked on the door.
It was the first sentence which was stress-timed, and this is the one that sounds more natural in English.
Yes. Okay, now let's hear them in more detail. Which syllables are stressed and how many syllables are in the gaps? Pause and replay the video if it helps.
It's important to learn from your mistakes. It's important to learn from your mistakes.
I've been waiting for you all day. I've been waiting for you all day.
The neighbour has just knocked on the door. The neighbour has
But how do we know which syllables should be stressed and which should be unstressed?
Well, let's find out in step 3, produce. Right, it's time to practice making your English more stress-timed. The first thing is to choose which words you want to stress. Now, it's hard to give an exact rule for this, as stress can vary depending on emphasis, contrast, accent. It depends on the individual speaker.
Yes, it does. And make sure you watch our videos about sentence stress and word stress. They're on our website if you want to learn more.
But for now, let's keep it simple. So often we stress the most important words in the sentence. They are the ones that carry the most meaning. So in this sentence, important, learn, and mistakes are the words which carry the most meaning. So they're stressed. And the other words are said quickly. Let's practice.
Listen and repeat. Important, learn, mistakes. It's important to learn from your mistakes.
Now, what are the most important words in this sentence? Waiting and day are the most important. So they are stressed. And the other syllables in the sentence are unstressed and said more quickly. Listen and repeat. Waiting, day. I've been waiting for you all day.
Okay, one more sentence. Which words in this sentence are the most important? Neighbour, knocked, and door are the most important, so are stressed. Listen and repeat. Neighbour, knocked, door. The neighbour has just knocked on the door.
Okay, I think it's time for our bonus tip, isn't it?
Yes, it is. So, Beth, what can our viewers do to practice this very difficult pronunciation feature?
Well, listen to some clips of fluent speakers, preferably find the transcript of what they're saying and mark which syllables are stressed. Ask yourself why they are stressed and then practice saying the sentences out loud, copying the stress and rhythm patterns.
Yes, so make the less important words unstressed. Now, the key to this is getting used to the schwa sound, and that is
بص يا صديقي، انا اول حاجه عملتها يعني خدت السكريبت بتاع الفيديو اللي احنا لسه معينه من شويه او الخلاصه بتاعت الفيديو، بعد كده دخلتها على شات جي بي تي وخليته يترجمها لي كلمه كلمه. فانا دلوقتي هقرا، وبعد ما نقرا كده ونفهم الكلمه ونطقها نترجم واحده واحده. يلا بينا. هنا why stress play an important role in English pronunciation. كلمة why لماذا stress النبرة يعني تشديد plays يلعب. طبعا هو هنا خط الاس علشان ده مضارع بسيط، في مضارع بسيط بنحط الايه يا why stress plays حط الاس صراحة. نتكلم بعد كده عن موضوع الاس دوت. and important طبعا and دي اللي هي ايه اللي هو أداة التنكير. important rule يعني دور in English pronunciation اللي هي النطق. يبقى ترجمة لماذا يلعب النبر دورا مهما في نطق اللغة الإنجليزية. الجزء الثاني languages are either syllables time where all the syllables in a word last for the same amount of time even when syllables are stressed or stress time where stressed syllables are pronounced at regular intervals and all the other syllables in between are squeezed to fit that rhythm making them sound shorter. هنا بقى الترجمة languages لغات are اللي هي فعل تكون either syllables time مبنية على توقيت المقاطع. syllables time اللي هي ايه توقيت المقاطع syllables time أظن syllables اللي هي المقاطع. where all اللي هي ايه حيث كل the syllables المقاطع الصوتية syllables معناها المقاطع الصوتية in a word last for the same amount اللي هي كمية أو قدر of time even when حتى عندما syllables المقاطع تكون are stressed مشدودة أو منبورة or stress time المقاطع المنبورة أو توقيت النبر where stressed حيث المقاطع المنبورة اللي هي stressed syllables are pronounced تنطق at regular intervals and all the other syllables in between are squeezed مضغوطة بسرعة squeezed to fit لتناسب. يبقى ايه are squeezed to fit تكون مضغوطة لتناسب that rhythm. يبقى are squeezed to fit that rhythm making them sound shorter. English is stress time. English is الإنجليزي يكون stress time قائم على النبرة. For example, in this sentence, English is a difficult language to learn. The syllables in bold are stressed. English is a difficult language to learn. For example يعني على سبيل المثال in حرف جر اللي هو في this هذه أو هذا للحاجات المفرد القريبة. sentence الجملة sentence قول ورايا sentence. English is a difficult language to learn. The syllables in bold are stressed. How do we know which syllables to stress? How do we هو أصلا how كيف do we know which syllables to stress? which أي للحاجات اللي مش معروفة الغير عاقلة syllables to stress. However, we often stress the most important words in the sentence. They are the ones that carry the most meaning. However مع ذلك دي كلمة مهمة برضه. However مع ذلك بتيجي حاجة تضاد. تيجي لما حاجة تضاد زي even though. However ومع ذلك we often غالبا stress نشد the most important words in the sentence. They are the ones الذين the winds that carry يحملون the most meaning. الجزء التاسع these are usually nouns, mine, verbs, adjectives and adverbs. These هذه للحاجات الجمع القريبة are usually nouns mine verbs adjectives صفات and adverbs. For example, in the following sentence, syllables in the nouns and verbs are stressed. The neighbor, the neighbor door has just knocked. For example, in the following sentence, syllables in the nouns and verbs are stressed. The neighbor has just knocked on the door. For example, على سبيل المثال, in the following sentence الجملة التالية syllables syllables in the nouns في الأسماء and verbs والأفعال are stressed مشدودة. The neighbor جار has just knocked on على the door على الباب. الجزء 11 listen to clips. طبعا clip وclips المقاطع. Listen to clips for fluent speakers preferably listen to clips of fluent speakers. Preferably find the transcripts of what they are saying and mark which syllables are stressed. Ask yourself why they are stressed and then practice
practice stressed and then practice saying the sentence out loud, copying the stress and rhythm patterns, try or podcast. Sentence out loud, copying the stress and rhythm patterns, try or podcasts. Listen, استمع to إلى clips مقاطع of fluent speakers prefer. بص هي جاية من كلمة preferably ويفضل. preferably find أن تجد، يبقى preferably ويفضل. find the transcripts النصوص of what they're saying يقولونه and mark وبيتحددون تقريبا وقم بتحديد and mark which syllables and stressed. ask yourself اسأل نفسك why لماذا they are stressed and then practice saying the sentence out loud, copying the stress and rhythm patterns, try or podcasts. جزء أخير. when syllables are unstressed they become schwa sound. Learn more about the schwa sound. when syllables are unstressed غير منبورة they become schwa sound. أصوات الشواء. learn more about the schwa sound. عايزين نتعلم عن موضوع الشوا sound.
You ready? Okay. I have not played the spectacularly beautiful air hostess. Good afternoon. Welcome to Johnson Airways. What's your ticket number, madam?
My seat's 24D.
Right this way, please. Is this your bag?
Yes, it is.
Please place it under your seat. Or stow it in the overhead locker. Now, fasten your seat belts. Can I be the passenger?
Of course.
Excuse me.
Yes, madam.
My headset doesn't work.
Oh,
Have you got a newspaper? Excuse me. Can I have another glass of champagne? Can I see the duty-free catalog?
there it is.
How much is that in euro?
Sorry, can you speak more slowly? I'm tired.
Traveling is tiring. Let's check you into your hotel.
Okay.
Good evening. Welcome to the Johnson Hotel.
Good evening. I have a booking for tonight.
Under what name, madam?
Fuentes. No, Pitt.
May I see your passport, please?
Here it is.
Thank you, madam. Here is your room key. Your room number is 217, on the second floor.
Thank you. What time tomorrow?
Checkout is at 12 noon.
I'd like a wake-up call at 8:30, please.
Breakfast is from 7 to 9.
Thank you.
Good evening.
The TV doesn't work. Oh, do you have a map? The window does not open.
Enough! Well done!
Thank you.
Now let's get some supper.
هو أول كلمة I have not played that before أو played tennis before أو played games before. فتعال نهكرها. بص، أول حاجة أنا have not أو haven't معناها لم أو ما في زمن الحاضر التام. played هنا في زمن الماضي أو التصريف الثالث نضيف لها ed. this games before ما لعبتش اللعبة دي قبل كده. لو have أو has زائد التصريف الثالث أو الماضي ده زمن المضارع التام. لما نتكلم عن حاجة حصلت في الماضي بس ليها علاقة بالوقت الحالي، يعني نتكلم لما حاجة بنتكلم عنها في الزمن الماضي بس ليها علاقة بالوقت الحالي. تاني حاجة لما تتكلم عن تجربة حصلت في الماضي بس ما حددتش وقت معين. spectacularly مذهلة بشكل مبهر. beautiful beautiful air hostess هنا المضيفة. لكن المهم ان place it معناها ضعيها or store it in overhead locker معناها او خبيها او ضعيها جوه داخل الايه overhead locker. قالت fasten your seat belts ما قالتش fasten your seat belts ما قالتش كده. قالت fasten your seat belts. fasten يعني اللي هو ايه شدي او اربطي حزام الايه المقعد. هنا your seat belts حزام المقعد او حزام الامان seat belts. fasten your seat belts اربطي حزام امان اللي هو الكرسي بتاعك. قالت can I be the passenger قالت لها yes of course. كلمة هنا my headset doesn't work. هنا على فكرة الكلمة ديت ممكن ليها استخدامات كتير جدا زي مثلا كلمة my phone doesn't work. my phone doesn't work. my phone او هنا قالت ايه my headset doesn't work. هنا معناها ايه سماعة الرأس او سماعة الكرسي الخاصة اللي هو بتاعت الرأس ديت في بعض المدارات سماعات بتكون ايه رأس كده محطوط عند الكرسي. doesn't ليه ما قالش don't work؟ لان do بتاخد ايه we you they اما doesn't بتاخد he she it. فهي بنتكلم على ايه على it حاجة غير عاقل فنقول ايه doesn't work. my headset doesn't work. my headset doesn't work. او هنا ليها استخدامات كتير على فكرة. على فكرة برضو الكلمة دي ليها استخدامات كتير تقدر تستخدمها اللي هو ايه my phone doesn't work my internet doesn't work اي حاجات كتير جدا. have you got هنا بسألها برضو بس ان هي تملك حاجة معينة. have you got هنا في زمن الماضي. هنا برضو احنا قلنا ده زمن المضارع التام. have you got a new paper أو a book. have you got a book. have you got a newspaper. have you هنا بسألها هل انت تملكي يعني you got في زمن الماضي اللي هو حصلت مثلا او هنا انت معاكي او تملكي a newspaper. هنا excuse me can I have another ايه بقى ونقط وكمل اللي انت عايزه glass of water box chains. هنا قالت بقى excuse me can I have a new paper. هنا قالت بقى excuse me can I. في ناس كتير قوي بتغلط في الكلمة دي على فكرة تقول excuse. في ناس بتغلط قوي بتقول ايه excuse me excuse me accuse me excuse me. في ناس كتير قوي بتغلط في الكلمه دي، بتقول ايه excuse me او excuse me او excuse me. هي بتقال excuse me can I have another اي حاجه بقى another book another question I have another I have another glass of water حاجات كتير قوي. فكلمة excuse me can I have، ركز على كلمة can I have. can I have هي بتسألها، هي هنا في كلمة سؤال هنا، أنا أقدر أملك can I have another glass of water.